So I was scrolling through my phone on Facebook the other day and I saw this eye-catching ad. So I thought, hey, this is a cool product. I went on it and had a look. It was a pretty simple dropshipping website and I thought, hey, why don't I test this product? I've been testing products since 2018, and if you haven't watched my videos, I suggest you go ahead and do that. But anyway, I've always done Facebook ads whenever I test my product. So this time I set a challenge for myself. First of all, I'm going to be testing this on TikTok ads and using only $250. I'm going to be sharing my realistic results by spending $250 on TikTok ads. So I always do little research on products such as the competition and also the feedbacks and reviews from customers. This will gauge me if it's a product that I can test to the market and the consumers would love it. At the same time, I'm going to be showing you guys how I tested this product, how I sourced the ad, and my campaign setup on TikTok as well. This is going to be a pretty interesting challenge. I've never scaled a product on TikTok ads before, but this time, I'm going to show you guys step by step on how I would test a product on TikTok with a $250 budget. If you don't know who I am, my name is Jandy Cerezo. I'm a full-time e-commerce owner, an investor, and most importantly, a dad. I drop weekly videos on online investing, finance, and also e-commerce and drop shipping. Let's get started. Now let's start with how and why I chose this product. So here on the screen, you can see that when I clicked on the website, it's a pretty subpar website. And you can tell from the get-go that this is 100% a dropshipper from China, most likely an AliExpress supplier. The reason being is I've been doing this for a few years now, and I can tell straight away if someone has put some efforts in it. Most of these Chinese dropshippers have the same layout and it's pretty messy. Hence why I wanted to create something that is simplified and also a clean website. So the product is the Elf ear cuff, and this is a more generalized product, hence why it might work really well on TikTok. That was my first initial thought of testing this product with TikTok ads. It's obviously targeting mainly a woman, which we're gonna go ahead and expand on that once we start setting up our campaign. And also it's on the lower AOV side. Again, most of the winning products that I see on TikTok are generally lower prices because the demographics are a lot younger and obviously they don't have as much spending power as people that you would see on Facebook. So I went ahead and went to AliExpress, searched out the product. I saw the product and surprisingly it's really cheap. It's only $3 and added $1.50 to ship that product out. So it comes about $5 for the single product to be shipped out to a customer, which is pretty awesome as well. I saw the feedback as well on AliExpress. It's pretty decent, so I thought, hey, this is a product that is definitely worth testing, and I'm gonna be creating a content about it, which is this video. So the same day I designed the store, the first thing that I always do is pick a domain name and then create a logo about it. I came up with Boho Chains as the brand name, and the reason for that is I wanted to create a niche store, so in the future I can test other products as well. This is obviously in the jewelry niche, so I added a few other products in there as well as this Elf ear cuff that we're gonna be testing on TikTok. Obviously using Shopify and using the Dawn theme, and it came out pretty nicely. As you can see on the screen, it's a simple website and I didn't want to put too much fluff in it. I just really wanted to test this product, but at the same time just adding some key elements in there for a higher conversion rate, such as adding reviews as well. So that's what I did. Added some reviews from AliExpress, and then I went ahead and published the store. So again, I wanted to create something simplified and a clean website compared to the other dropshipping store that we just saw, and the outcome was pretty nice. It took me about 3 hours to create the logo, to publish the store, and also do all of the product description and stuff. All right, so this is it, bohochains.com. I simply created a website using the Dawn theme on Shopify, and it took about 3 hours to publish the whole store. That's from creating the logo, attaching the domains in there, updating the product description and stuff, and this is what we came up with. It's pretty simple and simplified compared to the dropshipping store that we saw earlier. So let's have a look at the product that we're going to be testing on TikTok ads. This is a niche store, and I wanted to do this because I want to test other products on the same niche, which is jewelry or accessories. Hence why it's a more generalized brand name. So this is it here. We got the product in here, HD photo, which we like. We priced it at $25 each. But another key thing here is we added a buy more, save more to increase our AOV, which is the 2 pairs in here as well. It's pretty simple website. Just added some GIFs in here as well. Not much product description. Added a couple of photos in here. The most important thing here would probably be reviews. That's one thing that you guys would definitely need to add whenever you test any products, is make sure to add reviews. And that's the only app that I have in here. Again, it's a pretty clean and simplified website, which we really like. Okay, now let's move on to how we created the ads. It was pretty simple, yet some people might find this difficult. Is sourcing ads or sourcing raw videos sometimes can be difficult without purchasing the product. So what I did was I simply just asked the supplier, and the supplier provided me a video of the product, and I used that video to create an ad on TikTok editor. Now I created this myself. I just added some captions in here and it came out pretty nicely, which I'm going to be showing you guys on the screen. But there are 2 ads that I created in here, as you can see. Let's have a look at the ad itself. It's just a short and long version, so pretty much the supplier provided me one set of video and I just played with that, which is totally fine. Let's have a look at the video. Added some captions in there. Added some discount in here as well as a CTA, and the other version is a longer version of that, which is pretty cool as well. So again, the same thing, just different music. You know, we just wanted to simplify the process. Added a couple more clips in there and a CTA. Pretty simple ad. Again, this could most likely be improved as we get more UGCs, but we were pretty happy with that. So let's move on to how we created the campaign. So it's pretty simple. We just hit create, and then we go custom mode, and then hit conversions. Make sure you name your campaign Elf ear cuffs, and then continue. We want to select placement, uncheck those 2, and then we want to go advanced setting. I usually turn this off. Okay, and we want to keep everything broad. So what that means is there won't be any targeting at all except the gender. We click female in there. We're not going to touch the interest. We want to keep it broad. The product is general product, so it can hit anyone in the market. And then we set this at $20 budget. Now you have to make sure that you set this on the next day, which in this case would be 26 midnight. Okay, we just click OK there, click OK again, and then click next, and then you can create your ad. So what we did on setting up the campaign, actually we've gone ahead and set up 5 ad sets, but the same targeting, which is broad open. We just duplicated it 4 more times, same ads, same ad sets, same audiences, and we didn't touch anything at all. In my experience, usually only 2 to 3 of those would actually spend to up to $20 or the max limit that you put. And in this case, let's talk about the results. So as per the result, the first day we spent about $67 and generated 3 sales. Now this was a good day for me. I thought, hey, this is a really interesting product. This is a product that is showing signs that it can be scaled. But boy, I was wrong. The second and third day, there were no sales at all, and it spent a total of $110. So now we're down $110. The first day we broke even. Again, we spent $110 on the second and third day. We didn't get any sales at all. So in total, we've spent about $170. Now what I did next on the fourth day was I killed the ad sets that didn't have any sales. So in the first day we had about 3 sales, but one of them took our offer of buy 2 or more, hence why we got up to $97 in sales. Now on the 4th and 5th day, we spent about $40 and generated $75. That allowed us to be in a profitable state for that particular day, which was extra $20. So in total, we spent about close to $250 as per the challenge, and we generated about $160. Now if we add in the COGS in there, the product was only about $5 per shipment, but people were buying 2 or more, which was pretty cool. But at the end of the day, we spent $250 plus the COGS, which came about $40. So in total, that's about $290 in spend, and we generated $180 in sales. So we lost about $100 there, but it is showing signs that it can be scaled and it can be profitable if we optimize it enough. So that's the challenge wrap. $250 spending on TikTok ads. But then again, there are a lot of things that we can optimize on the ad level and also on the website if we want to make this profitable. Or did we continue it already? If you guys want to see more of these kind of videos, make sure to hit that like button and also comment down below action taker plus any video that you want me to make next. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed that one. I'll see you guys soon.